Okay, here's Calcada de Barra, and we're just going to stroll down this way, just kind of check it all out. And we're using a different kind of film, and we're right in front of this Moorish temple as well. I'm using a different camera, so we're going to see how this is. This is, I can only get 1080 on it, where the other one I get 4K with GoPro 7. This is a GoPro 8, and we're going to go down that way in a second, and it's going to film. We'll show you where we are as well, which is the Moorish barracks built in 1874. So there was Goa, it's connected with Goa, India, Portugal, and Islamic architecture influences, and they had a Indian there's like a group of people that would they call them, there's like a military regiment, so they would kind of act like policemen or military in this barracks right here. So it's kind of cool looking. And that's going to be our focus, Calcada de Barra. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we are in Calcada de Barra, and I'm gonna check it out. Got floodlights up there. We're gonna try to get across if we can. That's Rua de Barra down that way. We're gonna try to get across. Made it. I also want to highlight these little benches right here, and that way I can kind of film from this side as well. So now you can see the barracks on Calcada de Barra, and we're just going to walk down this hill a little bit. So we're just going to stroll down. Beautiful tree right there. Okay, so we're going to go down this way along the Moorish barracks. That's kind of historic, so I guess that's Indian Brigade. Brigade is the word that I was trying to think of. I don't know what's up there, but it's Indian Brigade was up was here, and I think that they kind of had like a function like the guarding Macau. So this is not too far from the waterfront. Amma Temple is up here, and then if you were to go up into the inland a little bit, not inland but up into Macau more, so peninsula. So if you were to go up that way, maybe they would have some view of the water from up here. There probably wasn't all these buildings that they have now here. So so that's maybe a little bit of history of it. Calcada de Barra. So that if you go up that way, you can keep going all the way up to the mountaintop as well. Like what we're gonna do is cross the street. And yeah, this is I can't remember the name of the mountain, but there's a mountain all the way up to the top, and there's a Peña Hills up there. I think the mountain is maybe Peña. So yeah, I'm using a different camera today. So it's called the GoPro 8. I haven't used this one that much. The GoPro 7 I can put it in 4K. This one I guess I can only put it in 1080, so I can't get the full maximum effect, but I can switch it around and do a video where I'm in it, which I might do right up in this spot. Pretty unusual for me to do a video where I'm in it as well, so I think this one we're going to just kind of explore and just kind of see what we can do with it. Yeah, I guess if you see me in it, maybe it's a little bit interesting. I could do some videos like that in the future. So yeah, I don't know, I kind of hate to film somebody who's been hurt, but there's a to see if we're still in Calcada. Maybe it's okay. So it looks like we're kind of at this other little area. Rua de Calcada. There's Amma Temple down that way, and this is a whole other street too. I don't know if this is Calcada or not, but it's Amma Temple is all the way down that way. Yeah, it is Calcada de Barra. So we're still on Calcada de Barra. So let's just continue all the way down, and we'll finish it. So yeah, maybe let me know what you thought about this one. If you saw a little bit of me. Not really used to being on the camera, so it's a whole different way of viewing things, and I can't really see it so well. Like this one, I can see it, and it's like, wow, that's really cool looking. I like that a lot. Man, what a cool looking building. So beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna come out at the end of Calcada de Barra, and now we're in Barra now. And you can see we're at this kind of big park here. There's the Calcada de Barra, and there's also Ama Temple, which is right over here as well. So we're just gonna go out a little bit. Then we're going to Maritime Museum, and here's Ama Temple. So we're gonna end this one at Ama Temple, which is part of Barra, and that was Calcada de Barra. There's Ama Temple right there.
Toma cuidado la porfía.